Hello everyone, in the previous episode we have already got a basic understanding of Exam's phone app interface. In today's session, I would like to show you how to program the action group through phone app. After connecting, we can choose Create and enter into the interface like this. This time setting button used to change the running time of the action. You can see like that. If you want to design your own action, first you need to click Motor Off. That means you can directly use your hand to change the position of the servo. Let me show you an example. Remember to click Add button. You can modify or delete the specific action after long pressing, and then you can see a small window like this. If I want to change its time, you can see how I did. Let's see how it runs. If you choose Root button, this action group will keep on running until you stop it. Finally, please remember to click Save button. We can name it Cyclic. If you want to download this action group to the controller, you can click this Download button. We can name it Number 1 action group. After hearing the sound of beep, that means it has downloaded successfully. You can see this action group through My Action. This one is also Download button. If you want to delete it, choose the last button and click it. Come and try by yourself. If you still have any doubts, do not hesitate to let me know. See you next time.